What is up, everybody? Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to talk about what is blockchain, how does it work, what are the benefits of blockchain. So without further ado, let's jump in it. First, let's talk about what is blockchain. As you can see, there are some properties of blockchain that are written here. First of all, blockchain is a database and it is decentralized, meaning that everyone can be a node in this blockchain, and any node has a full copy of blockchain, which makes it secure. So blockchain has a high security. It is decentralized because even you can be one of the nodes. You can be part of the blockchain, and it is decentralized. You can store transactions, data on it, and it is immutable, meaning that once some data has been recorded inside a blockchain, it becomes very difficult to change it. And actually, this makes hackers not to hack blockchain, which again means that blockchain has a high security. It has a high speed and it is transparent because anything that happens on blockchain, it is on internet, and you can see that. For example, if a transaction happens on blockchain, you with a address of your wallet, you can send some Ether to another wallet. In etherscan.io, you can see all the details of your transaction, from which address to which address, how many ethers with how much gas fee. All of them are obvious, and blockchain is absolutely transparent. So now, what are the benefits of blockchain? Now that you have understand what is blockchain, a decentralized database, what are the benefits of it? First of all, no central authority, because there's no Facebook, Twitter, Amazon that they have these databases and servers in a room which is centralized and they can access the data. There will be no central authority because everything is decentralized. You can own your data. Not some other company can sell your data to advertisers. No technical issues because there's no server that, for example, you say the server is down, because if one of the nodes gets down, all the other nodes are available. And just if more than half of the nodes of blockchains get down, they will be out of internet, that's when blockchain will be down as well. It is just obvious that it is impossible to happen because, for example, half of the world would be without an internet, which is just insanely impossible. There would be no misuse of data, as I said earlier. No central authority can steal our data and sell to other people like advertisers. Blockchain cuts out the middleman. For example, NFTs and dApps. There will be no third party. You can directly connect to, for example, your favorite artist, your favorite actor, musician. There will be no third party get money from you. And the last one is that it has open source fundamental, which ends in high transparency. Everything is crystal clear. You can actually trust because everything is just out there. Even the code of any dApp is out there. You can access it. Now let's talk about every block of blockchain. As it appears from its name, blockchain can be described as a collection of records linked to each other, strongly resistant to all alteration. All the blocks are connected to each other, chained to each other, and every block has three major properties. One of them is the data, something that you're gonna store on blockchain, for example, a detail of a transaction, or it could be any data. Hash is like a fingerprint. It's unique. Once a block is created, its hash is being calculated, and changing something inside the block will change the hash. Each cryptocurrency uses different hashing algorithm. For example, cryptocurrency of Bitcoin, Ethereum. The last property would be hash of the previous block, which makes the chain. Every block will be connected to the previous block, and that's how the chain happens. Changing a single block will change all the following blocks. To understanding better, I highly recommend to go and search for blockchain demo Andres Brownworth. This website is awesome for those who want to learn about blockchain. It has its own video, but we're gonna quickly talk about it as well. You can see that it has a video talking about it, but it has some tabs here. So talking about hash, for example, you have this data, whatever that it is. Whenever your data is completed, a hash will be created from it. Notice that when the data changes, hash will changes majorly. It's not like, for example, if you delete something, it just looks completely different. And whenever you have your data and your hash, we go through block. A block has these properties. We have this mine button here. So what I'm going to do is that firstly I want to talk about mining, and then we'll go back and talk about the blocks. There's something called mining, which is the process of adding the block to blockchain. There's this problem that you have to solve as a miner, and whoever solves it first get the transaction fee or block reward, which is some amount of ether. Proof of work is the process of solving the complex mathematic problem. Actually, there is another way of solving this problem other than proof of work called proof of stake. Proof of stakes use less amount of energy. In proof of work, we use so many energy. Like, how is it like this problem, this complex mathematic problem that we are talking about? What's it like? It's like this. For example, I store some data in here. Whenever this hash starts with 40, this block will be mined. And the problem is that find a nonce that makes a hash starting with 4 zeros with this data. See, for example, I change the nonce to this and hash changes. So miners should actually, you see, it actually find the nonce that the hash starts with 40. And it's all by checking. There's no like algorithm that you can solve this problem. It's just checking, and whoever comes with a solution gets the gas fee. Now that we have mined this block, we go through blockchain, which contains blocks. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 blocks here. As we said earlier, if I change the data here, the hash will be changed, and the previous hash of the next blocks will be changed. So again, this hash will be changed, and all of these blocks will be read and will be changed. So we have to mine it again. We have to mine this to find the perfect nonce, and again mine this, and again mine this. So if a hacker comes and wants to change this data here, this block will be read, and all of the following blocks will be read as well, and everyone will notice that a block has been changed. Distribution of the blockchain is shown here, that a full copy of blockchain is on every node. As you can see, there are 3 copies of them: peer A, peer B, and peer C. Alright, here was just a recap on blockchain, and there are some buzzwords on blockchain like DeFi, NFT, Solidity, the programming language, DApp, decentralized app, Web3, smart contracts, NFTs, non-fungible tokens, that they're really connected to blockchain. You wonder, like, what are these? So please subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram, because I'm going to talk about these more and make videos on it. Let me know if you have any question, any suggestions for other videos. I have a video about Web3 which I explained all webs from 1 to 3 in just 8 minutes. I put the link here if you're interested. Take a look at it. And yeah, thanks for being here. If you guys learned something out of this video, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and help YouTube algorithm so more people could use this information. As always, great to see you. Thank you. See you in the next video. Goodbye.